So here we go, 2014 SPX Football Box Break number 12, 11:24 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. Thanks so much. So guys, the last box is up right now. It is box number 7 of Bowman. So that is the last break for the night. So if you guys are looking to jump in, that is it. So here we go, box number 12. SPX. Here's John Elway, short print, 6 out of 99. Give me some focus. There we go. 6 out of 99, John Elway. And then Kadeem Carey, winning big materials, which will be going to Chi-Town. Who's got Chicago? Big Show. There you go, buddy. Then you got a Drew Brees, and that'll be going to New Orleans. Billy D 13. There you go, bub. Johnny Manziel, winning big materials. That'll be going to Cleveland. Mr. Poggi. There you go, buddy. Nice little Manziel. Then you got a Derek Carr going to Oakland. 248 out of 799. Then you got Bishop Sankey, one of the die cuts, going to Tennessee. Got quiet in the chat there. Still got about 32 of you guys here hanging out. This is 11:24 Eastern Standard Time. And here's Allen Robinson, 33 out of 799. So if you guys do want to jump in, last box of the night is up right now. What is that? Box number 7. Of 2014 Bowman, buy one, get one free spots. So if you guys do want to jump in, that'd be cool. We'll do that box here tonight. And then, there he is. Brandon Cooks, I like it. 385 out of 425. Brandon Cooks going to Billy D 13. Now, Billy, do me a favor. Get at me on this one, okay? Can you do me that? Just do me a favor, get at me on that one. So, nice Brandon Cooks. Very nice hit, bub. So we got just a couple boxes of Hot Rookies, which actually, if you guys haven't seen Hot Rookies, it's tight. I love it, dude. Here's Sammy Watkins. Going to Buffalo. And last pack here for box number 12. That will be a Tommy Rees. From Notre Dame, 299 out of 299. And the last one made. This is the last one made. Tommy Rees. Can I get some focus, Tommy? Do you see how the background is just like laser sharp HD? Thank you. Focus that. Man, oh man, it's like pulling teeth around here, huh? All right, cool. So this is a nice Brandon Cooks, by the way. I do like that. Billy D, get at me, Paul. All right, that was box number 12.